Crypto Insane back with another video. Before I start, I just want to say these platforms are high risk, high return. I'm giving you my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial consultant. It's just my ideas and the journey I'm going on. You should make your own decisions and do your own research and due diligence. I have to say this time and time again because it's just the disclaimer that is needed. Anything you do is your choice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing on this journey. Okay, so from the last few videos I made was on DOBLY, was a cryptocurrency investment platform using Telegram bots. What you can see here is another one that's been around for some time called the Arbitrage Machine. This runs solely on Telegram. There's no website in which you can use to invest in. It runs solely on Telegram. I'm going to show you some of it now. Alright, so it uses automated bots to make the trades. Automated bots to make the trades, and here's some of the video. I'm going to show you some of the video now. You can
Hello,
play the rest of it.
Welcome to Arbitrage Machine. This video is all about Arbitrage Machine revenue generation process. If you are an investor in Arbitrage Machine, or if you are thinking of investing in Arbitrage Machine, you must watch this video. This video teaches you how does Arbitrage Machine generate revenue for investors. If you look at the left hand side of the screen, you can see Bitmex.
So I'll pause it for now. Yeah, he's just explaining how the arbitrage actually works, how it generates revenue, how this platform is able to return your investment.
This is an exchange. On the right hand of the screen you can see XMO exchange. If I refresh here, you can see we got about $1,350.27, and here we got about 0.0792 BTC. I can just refresh and show you. Okay. We scroll down and show you total balance we got. Total balance we got is 0.0792. So now our aim is to do arbitrage between these two exchanges and earn some profit. So I have written here we got 1,350.27 and 0.0792 BTC in total. So let's start doing arbitrage.
Right, so this is how he does the arbitrage.
Opportunities between Bitmex to XMO. And I'm going to mention I need arbitrage opportunity percentages between 0.1 to 5. Now it is going to scan all the exchanges and show us arbitrage opportunities between the Bitmex and XMO. First, you can see NEO BTC. If you have NEO, or you can buy NEO from BTC and transfer to XMO and sell it for 3.5%. This is very
Okay, I'm just going to pause the video. The video is on the website for you to look at in more detail. Okay, let's go down more and explain more about this. So they've just got a brief description here on the website about the arbitrage opportunity and how it works. So if we move down, there's more information here. If we move down now to the actual bots and explain how these work. So basically there are a number of bots which Telegram uses. They've got the BTC bot, they've got the Ethereum bot, the Bitcoin Cash bot, the Litecoin bot, the Ripple bot, and the Tron bot. So basically each of these run in Telegram separately. There are different investment types on this, and yeah, there's different investment types on this. For example, you earn around 1 to 1.5% a day depending upon the bot you've invested in. So for example, the BTC bot, you earn a daily percentage of 1.3% on your profits, and that package runs for 120 days. The Ethereum bot is 1.5% of the profits, which is slightly more, and that runs for only 99 days, so slightly shorter than the BTC bot. And then you've got the Bitcoin Cash bot, is 1.5% again, profits on your investments. That runs for also 99 days. The Litecoin bot is the same, 1.5%, and returns and runs for 99 days. And the Ripple bot is 1.5% again, and the investment runs for 99 days. And so Tron, which is a fairly recent one, is 1.5%, and it runs for 99 days. So as you can see here, each of these bots have minimum investments and reinvest withdrawals information. So for example, the minimum investment for Bitcoin is 0.01 BTC. That's the minimum amount required to invest, withdraw, reinvest. And you got the Ethereum, is 0.03 Ethereum, that's the minimum, and the Bitcoin Cash, which is 0.01 Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. So you can read on the minimum and maximum withdraw and reinvest types. So yeah, I mean, you go down and there's more information on the website. It's telling you, you earn your daily profits on your investment. You don't have to spend time doing so. The market does not pull you down with it, and you get a positive return on your investment. Right, so you've got more information here. They've got another video here which you can have a look on. Obviously they're on Telegram. This is how it works. So they've got a community channel on Telegram, and they've also got the Telegram bots. So let's move it up now. So I've been in this program now for a few months or so, and it seems to be paying. So what I'm doing is in reinvesting. I'm actually in the BTC bot, and currently the Litecoin bot. Okay, so if you've used Telegram before, or you've got Telegram on your phone or your PC, it's quite self-explanatory really. I've got Telegram installed on my PC. So what you do is, so if you want to invest in one of these bots, for example, let's use the Ethereum bot. So we click on Ethereum, and what it will do, it will take you into a web page asking you to open the Telegram desktop. So what I'll do, I'll open the desktop. It will start the bot now. So basically what it's saying is, it tells you a bit about the arbitrage again, the minimum amount to invest, which is 0.03 of Ethereum. To take advantage of the arbitrage earnings, you receive 1.5% return every day till 99 days. This won't be a lump sum amount. So yeah, and what you do, you click on start. So what it asks you to do is select your language, which is English, and there you go. The bot's started, is running. So what you need to do now is deposit some funds. So what you do, you click on deposit, and you can deposit some funds. Once you've done the deposit, it should tell you that you've made an investment. I'll show you this in another video. But for now, that's just a bit about the bot for now. Okay, this was just a brief video right now. Probably in a few hours time or days time, I'm going to make another video showing you more about this actual platform. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for guys for listening. Please subscribe if you can. Hit the like button. It helps me do more on this channel and make more videos. I've got much more opportunities coming up in the pipeline. Okay guys, thank you.